Yo, what is up, guys? Back with another video here, and today is day 3 of Christmas vacuuming. Day 2 has passed, on to day 3. Alright, so this time we have the Bissell Power Force Helix, model 2191. And we don't have the Bissell Power Force Helix Turbo, model 6871. We have a new vacuum now, and that's the Bissell Power Force Helix. This vacuum is requested by Jeremy Williams and Largemouth Bass Vacuums. Both of these people requested this right here, so here you go. So this is the Bissell Power Force Helix model 2191. And yeah, that pretty much does it. So yeah, this is day 3 of Christmas vacuuming. So let's get to it, shall we? So yeah, that pretty much ends it on this day 3 Christmas vacuuming. So Jeremy, Jeremy Williams and Largemouth Bass Vacuums, let me know on what vacuum you would like to see next for Christmas vacuuming day 4. So Christmas vacuuming for day 4. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, that pretty much ends it for this video right here. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a video. But anyways, yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, peace out.